Stop stressing over your Echo Show camera. Try these quick steps instead. You'll be snapping photos and making video calls again in minutes. First, check if the camera shutter is open. It's a tiny slider at the top of your Echo Show. Make sure it's not covering the lens. Next, give your device a quick restart. Just unplug it, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. If that doesn't help, check your Wi-Fi connection. A slow or spotty network can block the camera from working. Try moving your Echo Show closer to your Wi-Fi router. Still not working? Swipe down on the screen, tap Settings, then Device Options. Make sure camera is turned on. If you're using the camera for a call, double-check that you've given camera permission in the Alexa app. Go into the app, find your device, and make sure permissions are set to Allow. And if all else fails, look for updates. Go to Device Options, then check for software updates. That's it. Most Echo Show camera problems can be fixed with these simple steps. Try them out, and your camera should be good to go.